In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable series labels in Power BI for line charts. You might have noticed that, unlike other data visualization tools like Excel, Power BI doesn't have a straightforward series label at end-of-line feature. But don't worry, we can work around that. Currently, Power BI offers a series labels toggle for line charts. When you turn this feature on, you'll see labels for each series appearing towards the right side of the chart, right next to the lines themselves. This gives you a handy way of distinguishing between different series. However, it's important to note that these labels might not land on the very last data point, nor do they always perfectly align with the chart's end. The placement can vary depending on the dataset, chart size, and even Power BI updates, so keep that in mind as you tweak your visuals. Let's dive into how you can enable and work with these series labels effectively. First, start by creating your line chart visual. Ensure you've included all the necessary fields like axis, values, and, if needed for multiple series, the legend. Once your chart is ready, click to select the visual. Now, let's head over to the Format pane where you'll find a host of options to customize your chart's appearance. Here, you're looking for the Series Labels option. If you're using a newer version of Power BI, this option should be readily available. Go ahead and toggle it on. You'll notice the labels appearing near the end of each line, providing a visual cue for each series represented in your chart. Once you've activated the series labels, you have some additional customization options to explore. You can adjust the font size and color to make sure the labels are clearly visible and consistent with your overall chart design. If you want to make your labels stand out even more, consider adding a background color. This can be particularly helpful if your chart uses multiple colors, as it ensures the labels don't get lost in the mix. Additionally, there's a word wrap option under the series labels, something you might find useful depending on the length of your labels. This helps maintain a neat and readable look, especially if you're working with longer text strings. A quick tip. If you feel the series labels alone provide enough context for your data and you're aiming for a cleaner look without duplications, you might want to consider turning off the legend. This can simplify your visual and direct viewers' focus more effectively onto the data itself. And there you have it. With these steps, you can enhance your Power BI line charts by enabling series labels, giving your audience an immediate understanding of the data series at a glance. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in data visualization.